Well, hello, beautiful. Thank you so much for being here. Cody, always here to help you have the most healthy, glowing, and gorgeous skin. I am so excited to be back. This is kind of first impression video unboxing. I'm doing a pillow. I'm going to share just a little bit, a couple things, and just let you know I'm really excited for 2021. Just creating different content, new ideas. I feel like I'm a one-trick pony girl, sharing the same things over and over, you know, and I appreciate you guys being so, like, okay with that. You know, sometimes I'm like, what else can I share? So if you have any ideas, please let me know below. I'm just trying to really think of things that are really beneficial to you, even if you don't use my stuff. And so like the oil cleansing and different ways to clean and exfoliate and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, the first thing I have to say is I was sent this as a PR, I guess, whatever, which is great. I love it, and it came in this big box. So it is called the Sleep and Glow pillow. To be honest, I've seen it around, okay? I've seen you, girl. And, you know, this kind of stuff feels really gimmicky and BS-y to me. Like, just really now this pillow's going to help banish my wrinkles. I mean, girl, I should have been sleeping on this 20 years ago then, right? And so, okay, so it's a anti-aging pillow that against signs of skin aging. So there's some pretty strong claims here. So, you know, first when I saw it online, I was like, girl, please, a pillow can do all that, then let me toss my serums. But there is some ergonomic design stuff that I do want to take into consideration with how they designed this pillow. Terrible sleep issues. So I, you know, have to take a sleeping pill. I have to do all kinds of stuff to make sure that I sleep, because I have a sleeping disorder. A couple things. One is where I'll thrash, or once I'm up, I'm up. So if I get woken up in the middle of the night, I can't get back to sleep, no matter what. It's probably back in the day when I did all those drugs, girl, staying up for weeks at a end, you know what I mean? My sleep cycle's off from back in the day. So anyway, so it's saying, you know, during sleep on a regular pillow, the skin is stretched. I totally see that even on mine. So to minimize facial skin indentions, it helps prevent sleep wrinkles and reduces morning swelling and marks caused by contact with the pillow. Interesting. It says that it helps younger looking skin, puffy reduction, deep sleep, natural care, efficacy. It's cheaper than most cosmetic anti-aging procedures. Ain't nothing will work like Botox. I doubt this pillow, but okay. It's made out of advanced materials. It's orthopedic effect, contains silver ions. I mean, they really did go above and beyond, it looks like, with the quality in which they manufactured and produced this product. And it's natural fabric quality, obviously, memory foam, blah, blah, blah. So let's open it up. I'm going to start using it tonight. I'm going to use it for a while, and then I'll give you my full final thoughts and review of it. I do want to see it. I've been waiting to kind of just see what this thing looks like. It looks interesting online. Like a little cradle here, a little cradle here. I mean, it feels like all my memory foam ones that I've had. I've gotten some pretty expensive ones. Like when they first came out, they were a couple $100 originally. And one of them actually made my neck terrible. Like, couldn't even move it. So these pillows are subjective to people. Certain people can't use them. They're not as comfortable, and also like the heat that's trapped in there. I don't know what they've done. Maybe they've minimized that, but even with the newest technologies of like the cooling sensation ones with the beads and stuff, it still gets hot to me. I don't know if I'm the only one, but it's still pretty warm, girl. So I'm gonna give it a try. I mean, it makes sense, kind of, you know, what they're saying. I think the fabric too on here, which is silk, is going to help with friction and rubbing. So I'm really excited to try it. To share the price, it is $165, which, you know, for the design of this, I'm not mad at it, but I won't know until I fully try it. And I would definitely, if this works, I mean, I am all for it. I am a side sleeper, so that's why I'm even more excited. And the idea that this cradles into kind of the jaw area here, so nothing is, you know, being squished, seems very promising. And I guess that's how too you could keep it from not getting too warm, because there's actually kind of some airflow in this little pocket area where you put where you cradle your you know, side of your face in here. So Seems pretty promising. The fabric on here, the silk is delicious. It feels so yummy. So, you know, for $165, I think if you get a better night's sleep and you feel like it's helping with the prevention of friction, rubbing, squishing, I mean, what's that? $165 is cheap considering you do every night, you know, be squishing the skin and doing things that you probably don't even realize you're doing when you're sleeping, which is, you know, rolling over, tossing and turning. So I'm going to be curious to see if it'll allow me to easily like roll over to my other side, to the, you know, left to right, without it being like a big kind of, like, I wonder if I have to find this little cubby, you know, or whatever. So we'll see. I'll definitely keep you posted. There were some things too in here, you know, their design of the pillow, they went above and beyond, and they also teach you how to kind of prepare and to keep going through the adjustment period from 1 to 2 nights, 3 to 7, 8 to 14, so there's a little bit of an adjustment to the pillow, obviously. Yeah, I'm excited, and I'll definitely keep you guys posted. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below. I don't know if you can see this, but they really did spend a lot of time in the actual design of how it's ergonomically designed, if that's how you probably say it. It's my 8th grade education. Special ed over here, girl. Calling out anybody special ed who's proud of it, girl. Anyway, so thank you so much, Sleep and Glow. I will definitely keep all of you posted with a very honest review if I think it's worth your time and your attention. Feel free to ask your questions. Feel free to ask your questions below. Remember to stay gorgeous, and I'll see you very soon in a new video. Bye. Also, is there other stuff like this you want me to kind of review or test for you? Let me know. All right. Bye.